Kaliwa, sir?
Oo, dito lalaki.
Patong na lang yan. Sige, sir, dito. Sige, sir, dito. Dikit-dikit konti. Medyo malayo sa aso. Patong. Maliit na patong yan. Tugu boat, we're going to ride from Puerto Bajongan to Batangas City Pier. Meron na pula din eh. Kita ko sa Tagiliran. Hangga? Diyan sa amin doon. Hindi mo makita doon sa nung nahila ka. Para yan doon na ano. Makita na ba yung? We are here now in Port of Batangas, so we are disembarking and we will go down from the boat. Again, we will take a ride by bus or by van from here Batangas to Cavite. See you there. We are now walking, going to the terminal of the buses here in Batangas International Port in Batangas City, Philippines. So it's 5 in the morning of Saturday, February 10, 2024. We left the port of Bajongan at 7 in the evening yesterday, Friday, February 9, 2024. So it's a one-day back and forth travel, Batangas to Bajongan and back to Batangas from Bajongan. So I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Batangas to Cavite because they are all Pitex, Alabang. So we have to take the van from Batangas pier to Cavite. It's 5:10 in the morning here, so we were able to sleep also in the boat, and we have to take breakfast now. We will take this mami and hot water only for our breakfast, and then we will go with the van. Fast mami and hot water. And this is the place here. So these are the food here. There's a lot of choices, but we prefer to take the mami because it's very light and well enough for 2 hours travel from Batangas to Cavite.